guys, this is a lawnmower find, and I don't know why people got rid of this, but we're gonna try and see if we could start up. So let's do it now. Okay, that didn't do well. I'll pump it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That didn't sound good when I pumped it, but oh well. It's probably got a bad carburetor. Oh,
but guys, we're thinking of making it into a go-kart.
It's getting seized up.
It might be gas.
It has gas.
That gas might be something else.
Okay, try it again.
Oh, you see, it's
almost
running.
Okay, it did a little something.
So,
check the spark plug. Spark plug. That's good. Okay.
What's good? Dude, it smells like gas. But guys, we're thinking of we're probably gonna use the gas tank for a mini bike, or maybe we might make.
It did something. All right, try it again.
Want me to press on the button?
Yeah, press it a bunch of times, like real fast, like I did. It did a little something.
Yeah,
let's try it again.
Oh,
it ran.
Okay, I want to try now.
All right,
you hold the camera.
Okay. Okay, my turn.
Yeah, you're probably better at this. Oh.
All right. It's probably not getting enough gas.
That's why it's not running forever.
It's probably got no gas in there. That's probably why it doesn't run.
Well, we can get gas.
Okay, that's enough.
No, let's keep trying. For the viewers.
No, that's the last time.
Okay.
This is the last time, okay?
Say bye to the viewers. Okay.
Bye. Not again. It ran for a little bit.
Yeah, that was cool. Like and subscribe if you want this. Comment if you want this a go-kart with 2 seats.
Or if you want to turn this into a parts thing and fix the mini bike.
Fix the mini bike.
I think it backfired.
Oh wow,
okay,
that's
enough.
Sick. So, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. It's been K-Show. And we have a new intro made by CTG Plays.
What the hell?
I don't know. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.